What's up guys? Alam mo ba na may Arepo Townhouse tayo dito sa Privado Homes, Binyan City na may 3 bedroom, 2 toilet and bath, and built-in cabinet na tamang-tama para sa family mo. This is the best time to take action bago pa maubos ang last unit natin dito sa Privado Homes, Binyan City. So tara, pasukin natin. So at first, meron tayo ditong concrete carport. Yan. So ayan, kasya po ang ating SUV and lalo na yung ating sedan o compact car. Kasya po dito. Then we have ang design of stones and napakalawak ng ating window, sliding window. Then bago tayo pumasok, we have here our solid wood panel na door. So, tara, pasok tayo. Then dito naman, ito yung ating very thoughtful yung design nito. We have open design sa loob and this is suggested for our living area. Then, so dito nila sinet yung ating dining area. So naglagay sila dito sa gitna, 6-seater. Pero depende pa rin sa atin kung paano natin siya iseset. Depende sa pangangailangan po ng family nila. So now, ito naman yung after the dining area, meron tayo ditong kitchen na para ma-prepare ni Mami kung anong food yung lulutuin niya or prepare for her family. So included na rin po to yung ating hanging cabinet. So ayan po yung ating hanging cabinet. So ayan. So pasensya na kayo, may mga gamit kasi ginamit tong office dito sa Privado Homes. And at the same time, meron na rin tayong cabinet dito, base cabinet sa ating kitchen. Ayan. So, good thing naka-soft close na siya. So, ayan, kusa na siyang sasarado ng hindi lumalagabog. Then, this one naman, kung dito kasi intended either yung stove mo or this one is for your area is for your refrigerator. Pero kung gusto mo, ayaw mo sa loob or inside your home yung inyong cooking, so pwede mo siyang ilagay dito. And intended siya for laundry area natin. Ayan. So sa tabi po ng ating service area, we have our ating first toilet and bath. We're done on the ground floor. Nakita nyo kung gaano ka-spacious yung ating ground floor na merong living area, dining area, may kitchen tayo, and we have also service area serve as our laundry. For our laundry, then at the same time, meron tayong toilet and bath. So, and by the way guys, yung lahat ng nakita tayo, including yung ating ceiling is kasama na po siya upon turnover. Okay, then naka 60 by 60 tayo na ceramic tiles. So now naman, is tingnan natin yung taas. So tara. So dito sa taas, we have 3 bedrooms. So let's have the first bedroom natin. So by the way guys, bago kong makalimutan, yung stairs natin and even on the second floor is, instead na naka-tiles siya or ceramic tiles, is naka-vinyl. So let's have the first bedroom. So ito po yung ating first bedroom. So included na po yung mga built-in cabinets natin dito sa Privado Homes, Binyan City. Then let's have our second bedroom. Then this time naman, nandito naman tayo sa ating master's bedroom. So ganito po kalawak yung ating master's bedroom. So tingnan nyo po. Ayan, so you can put queen size, double, or even king size dito sa master's bedroom. Siyempre depende kung yun, sa family mo or sa need nyong as husband and wife. Then at the same time, kagaya ng mga naunang bedroom, so included na po yung ating built-in cabinet. Ayan. Then another good thing dito is we have also toilet and bath dito sa ating master's bedroom. Message me today and book a site viewing before the last unit is gone. This is Yun Yambao, your property consultant of Privado Homes. Bye-bye!